Hello and welcome, children. Today we are here to discuss the very important poem, the very first poem of class 9, that is The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. So, before we start, let us take a glance on the poet, that who he is. Robert Frost, children, he is an American poet. First thing we have to remember, and he is born on 26th March 1874 and he died on January 29, 1963. His work was initially published in England before it was published in America. So it means, children, that mostly his works were first published in England and then it came to America. Though he was American, but he published his books, he published his writing in England first. Now, children, what are the awards which he has got? That is also very important to know about. He is been, let me tell you that he has got various rewards, and what are these prizes about? Let's see. He is highly regarded for his realistic depiction of rural life and his command of American colloquial speech. So mostly he has written about, children, this pastoral life. Okay, the rural life he has discussed the most. This we have to remember, and also that he has got a very good idea, he has got a very good command on the American regional languages. So he uses that very beautifully. Frost has also been honored with frequently many prizes and he has received 4 Pulitzer Prize for poetry. He has become one of the America's rare public literary figure, almost an artistic institution. Means, children, he is himself full of literature. That's why we can say that he is an artistic institution. He was awarded the Congressional Gold Medal in 1960 for his poetical works. So these are the various prizes which he has got and we must know about it. Now let's come to the poem. This poem, The Road Not Taken, it is firstly published in 1961 and Frost here shows the pastoral who combines rustic simplicity with hidden, indirect and clarity of style. This we must know about him, that he is so many things he uses and he has depicted very beautifully the village life. Now let's come to the next portion, that is we'll come to know more about the poem, that what the poem is like. First thing, children, that you should know that this poem is full of symbol. Okay, so this poetic device which we use for symbol, there are two kinds of poetic device which in English literature the poets use. One is metaphor, the another is simile. So both are for the symbols, but simile is used, or simile we can say that it is used where the word like as or like is used. If for comparison, if for showing the symbols as or like, these words are not used, so that is called, children, metaphor. So is in this poem he has used metaphor, means there are no as or like. So let's know about the poem. Firstly, we'll come to the title of the poem. So the road is the symbol of the choice made by us in life. Many times we regret the choice we make, but what is done once cannot be undone. This we have to remember, and that he is mentioning in the poem. Then man regrets for what he has denied himself in life rather than what he has chosen. Hence, the poet has given his poem the title The Road Not Taken. Means sometimes we regret for what we have not done in life, and sometimes we are happy for it. That's why he says that the choices are just like traveling The choices are just like walking on roads. There are many roads, but only one road we select. So that is it means that there are many choices in our life. Okay, the roads are the choices, and the one which we take, that is the one road which we travel. The traveler travels. Now come to the next point. The word road also not only means ways, it also means journey or a stage of journey. Here road does not signify any ordinary road, but functions a metaphor of vital decision in our life, which I told you. So let's come to the first stanza. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. And be one traveler, long I stood and looked down, one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. So two roads. He's saying that once I found that there are two roads, means two choices in my life. So, and that was diverging in the yellow wood. So as I told you, that yellow is the symbol of autumn season, when all the leaves are shed by the trees. That is the autumn season. Means you can also say that this is the season of change. And wood is a small forest, and he says that I was the one traveler, so I cannot travel both the roads. So that's why I thought that what should I do. So let's see that what he does. The speaker describes his position. He has been out for walking in the woods and comes in between the diversion of two roads. He stands there looking as far as each one as he can see. He would like to try out both, but doubts he could do that. So therefore he continues to look down the road for a long time, trying to make his decision about his road to take. So in the picture you can see, children, there are two roads which are diverged. You can take either this one or this one. The choice is yours. You can take only one road out of these two. So let's see that what the poet says. As I told you that these are the symbols which are used. The yellow is the color of the wood, representing the light, hope and promise that the speaker is standing before. His future is bright, stretches before him. Though both paths are equally lit, he must choose only one. Wood is also a symbol, that is the metaphor. The poem is set in the woods because we get an image of a quiet, deserted place where the speaker is left alone to decide. Means there are some times in the life where only you have to take your own decision. In the similar manner, poet is there in his life. He is now at a point where only he can take his own decision. There are no road signs or people to stop or ask for direction. Similarly, there are no signs in life designed to help people choose their path. Roads are the symbols of path we take in life, means the decision which you take in life. Every road leads to a specific place, and the nature of one's destination depends entirely on the decisions that are made. We don't just arrive at a location. We make a series of choices that lead us there. Morning represents a new beginning and the endless possibilities the day ahead has to offer. Frost set the poem in the morning to reveal that the speaker is in the early years of his life and his future is spread out before him. Now I will come to the poetic devices. I already discussed, that is the metaphor. Metaphor is the poetic device which is used in the poem. Now we are at the rhyming scheme, children. Now how to find out the rhyming scheme, I hope you know, but still I will discuss with you. Rhyming scheme means, children, the last word of each line we have to concentrate on. Okay, so from there we get the rhyming scheme. So here we will concentrate on wood, both, stood, could and undergrowth. So what do we find? That wood is rhyming with stood. Rhyming means, children, similar sounding words. So these are the three words which are rhyming, means the similar sounding. So the wood has got a number. So as well as this stood and could will also get a number, as we did here. Okay, as we have done. Wood is getting A, stood is getting A and could is getting A. In the similar manner, This another word is both. Both is rhyming with undergrowth. Okay, so both is getting B, so undergrowth will also get B. So this way our rhyming scheme comes to A B A A B. So the rhyming scheme for the first stanza is A B A A B. So this way we completed the first stanza. Thank you, children.